The book focuses on the psychology of trading, arguing that most traders fail due to emotional reactions rather than technical mistakes. Hogarth emphasizes that normal thinking produces normal results, and extraordinary success comes from mastering your mind. The provocative title, Best Loser Wins, reflects his core idea: handling losses well is more important than avoiding them. Traders who panic or fear losses make poor decisions, while those who accept controlled losses can stay in the game long enough for their winners to develop. Hogarth stresses mental conditioning over technical rules, recommending tools like journaling, visualization, and self-reflection to prepare for emotional shocks. He shares personal trading experiences where emotional mismanagement cost him more than strategy errors, showing how fear, excitement, and impatience can sabotage trades. The book teaches readers to treat losses as information, not failure, building resilience, discipline, and rational decision-making in unpredictable markets. In essence, success in trading comes not from avoiding losses but from learning to lose well, managing your emotions, and thinking differently from the crowd.